Hey guys, Poverty Point Customs here. If you watch my videos, the last one I did on my 06 SmartCar Cabriolet was the rear brakes locked up. So as you can see, it's car's half in parts. What I've actually done is bought new rear shoes, the new springs and hardware for it. And this is on the passenger side. So here's the driver's side. I haven't done this side yet. And again, when you do one side for brakes, you always do the other side. So this is the next step to install again new shoes, drum, and I bought a new spring kit too, so I'm going to put that on. So the current issue I'm having is once I installed all the new shoes and springs and whatnot, when I apply the rear brakes, the cylinders, the pistons aren't moving. And I did have an issue. This passenger side rear brake system was pretty much destroyed, as I showed in my last video. The rubber boot was actually pulled off and the piston actually came out, so I think I may end up having to replace the piston for the rear passenger side, which is kind of a pain, but you know what, it's still winter time out, so I'd be sooner wrenching with this in the winter time than in the summertime when I want to use it. And don't mind the mess. There's the complete front end of the SmartCar. It's much easier to take off the whole front end than it is to try to squeeze your hand in certain areas to try to get to your brake fluid reservoir, and I'll show you why. It's a little hard to see, but there's your brake fluid reservoir, and this is on the front passenger side. And what had happened is the top was seized on, so I wasn't able to actually get my hands in there to open the top. So the only way to do that is completely take off the front end of the SmartCar and get a wrench in there and actually get to my brake fluid reservoir right there. And again, when I put it on, I'll make sure the top's not on too tight, and then I'll remount the brake fluid. I thought it was an issue with having to bleed the brakes out. I did that, and the rear passenger side still isn't working, and now all my brake lights are on the dash. So stay tuned. This is where the car is currently at. So I'm going to order a new brake piston for the rear passenger side, install that, bleed it, and then hopefully get the rear brakes working again. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. If you're into videos such as this, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a great day.